What up, y'all? It's the twins.
Back at it again.
We back. Tell me what we doing today, Christina.
Today, y'all, we got a little snack. Shrimp fries and a piece of fish.
Flounder.
Flounder. And let's go and say prayer. Get it in. Lord, we thank you for this food that we're about to receive. Let it be for the nourishment of our body. In Jesus' name, don't let it stick. Amen.
Amen.
What I was going to say. First, we want to start off by saying, like this video, share,
and subscribe.
Please subscribe, y'all. And also go to our social media, virtuousdefined.com, and follow us. Also, go to our website, virtuousdefined.com. Did I say Virtuous Defined on Instagram?
And Facebook.
Yeah, and virtuousdefined.com to our website. And buy a shirt. Y'all know Black Friday coming up. Me and my sister working on something. You know what type of sale to give y'all or whatever. But go over there. Go on and hit, go see what you want. Because the sale, y'all already know. All right. Let's get it in.
Y'all, got off work today. Had to slave over the stove. Overtime.
You did?
Yes, I just cooked.
You ain't cooked.
Oh, you did? Oh, okay. But I handled some other stuff.
See what I'm saying?
No, I did the prepping.
Nigga lie on you quick.
I did the prepping though. What y'all eat?
that
Y'all
much
shrimp?
though.
We don't eat no tartar sauce. Dang, the offset of this thing is so bright.
What's
wrong?
my phone? I
got white polish.
We
Fooling up with the camera.
We're recording on my phone, y'all, and
let me see that.
We usually record on the camera.
Use the last bit of this. Don't try to be like me.
I done
be
did
doing
this
that.
before.
Y'all, I put hot sauce in my ketchup. Period.
A little snack.
Today Friday, what y'all got going on today?
Oh, you remember I used to eat ranch with this? Put a little ranch on the side. That's still kind of good.
So y'all, today Friday. Thank God, because when you work, that's what day you be looking forward to. This batter ain't staying up like that either. What's going on?
It might have been the oil. With the
It
oil
had to be.
fresh.
I don't know.
I ain't using cornmeal no more. Period. I want to see how we got on it like that.
Y'all want this? Don't do
You want the mustard? A little bit mustard?
Yeah. I don't do cornmeal like that. Nah, it done took care of you many of these. Yeah, we just came on here to eat right quick. We figured if we're gonna eat, we might as well do it on camera. Thanks for all the new subscribers out there. We appreciate y'all. And
Got that crunch. Barely. I seen some funny not uniforms, costumes last night.
oh yeah, it was some good ones.
The girl that did Kiki Palmer on me was funny. She did that jump right on point.
I didn't see that one.
Sorry to this man.
Let me look it up.
Oh my gosh.
Y'all, the one who did the Bella Noche video was good too. I went on his page, girl. He did a lot on. He did the Missy Elliott one with Timbaland. He did
For Halloween?
He did like different Halloween videos, I guess.
They put him up again with a group of 3 other
She
people.
the girls there.
Yeah,
She the
that
girls
was
did
my
Missy Elliott one, the Bella Noche one. He did not the Missy Elliott one, but the Timbaland and Leah one.
You know who do good costumes every year? Carrie Hilson.
What she doing?
She put her all in her.
I know she was never.
I think it was it Coming to America? It wasn't no Coming to
I was
America.
say she did that.
Eddie Murphy. No, but she was the other lady. Like,
Oh, for real?
yeah, on her baby. I don't know what movie that was.
Cause it was Coming to America when her and Serge Ibaka was together.
They did good.
And then they did another one when he was the African king and she was like the African culture. Yeah. Y'all, why these fries soft? Y'all want some?
Don't come for me, come for the oil.
I'm coming for the cook.
I ain't cooking though. Like what it cooked itself.
Y'all, we ain't want nothing really. We just was
Popping in.
okay.
We're gonna come back with some more snacking and chatting so we can actually, have some conversation.
Y'all watching any of the new we gonna come back on the snacking and chatting video. We probably do that this weekend. The American Son movie just dropped on Netflix. We gotta watch that, y'all. Check that out, y'all. Check it out with
We gotta watch that tonight, low key.
With Kerry Washington in it.
It dropped today.
Cause I was on the latest category, and it was that dropping Friday, November 1st.
We gotta watch that. Everybody's gonna be talking about that. Everybody. You think it's gonna be a plot twist?
If it is, they already showed in the preview of him being her husband, but
no, that trailer, and I'm glad they did. They didn't give me nothing really.
I think
all they did was give us the possibility that he might be out there dead.
I think he locked. If he ain't there, he locked up off of some bogus stuff, and they trying to like figure out why he first got locked up, why he ain't came home, why y'all got him locked up.
I'm really trying to figure out what the police is hiding, but yeah.
Well, y'all, we gonna come back with a video discussing that. It could be the what's the name though? The son could be done saw something, and they don't know why is my son at home.
What if it was a thriller? Feel like she painting or something, putting a little paint on it. Hot sauce. Everybody I'm talking about. Yeah, I told you
I want some too.
I thought you opened that one up.
I did, but I want the. My head. Period.
This looks like it's hot.
Yeah, the first drops be hot out of the hot sauce bottle. But yeah, y'all, let us know what else y'all watching on Netflix. There's a lot of stuff releasing, so
yeah.
I know Raising Dion. I heard Raising Dion was good.
I done caught up on Greenleaf.
You have? I'm 3 episodes behind.
Greenleaf is what's up.
Of
right
course,
now.
we gonna drop a video talking about Power, y'all. Power, the mid-season finale drop tomorrow. Come out.
Oh, it is tomorrow?
You
mean Sunday?
No, it'll be Saturday. Saturday at 10.
Oh.
I wasn't how we watching before Saturday. Yeah, that's sauce. Ooh, that hot so hot. I think I would
really
like tartar sauce.
We need to talk. We need to watch Over and not the Have and Have Not.
And
The Sisters. That new movie. What I'm watching on Netflix right now is The Blacklist. What else? I think that's about it.
Y'all, this is kind of off subject, but on subject.
My wife should have caught it without the dog on most of this country.
No. You gotta think about them.
They hard. The little one harder than the
Actually, explain too much. But off subject, on subject at the same time. I watched Matilda last night, y'all. It's one of my favorite childhood movies. And guess what? I watched it on YouTube. Not YouTube Red, nothing. I typed in Matilda. I was just trying to be curious to see if somebody got this movie up there, and it was up there. Played from the beginning to the end, the credits and all.
Yeah.
Of course, I fell asleep, but I'm just saying, like, it played through all the way through. I woke up, it was going off.
You can do it, Brucey.
Yeah, we gotta give y'all the part 2 of the sister tag. We didn't drop that yet.
I'm not eating fast, y'all. I hungry. I seen online where Coming to America 2 and was that Bad Boys? All together
Was
on
that
one set.
online or was that?
I had it online.
I think Coming to America 2 already out. I just seen it.
It might be alright. I don't know if that's the old picture.
I'm finna Google it. Because I just seen
I didn't even know that was really talk. We was really pushing that.
Coming to
I
America.
thought it was a talk, just a talk. I had Wesley Snipes in the picture though.
Yeah. I don't know what they got going on.
At the Tyler Perry Studio. Everything.
I seen it.
Everything.
Yeah,
All
every black base movie, like a Will Packer type movie,
I
all
think
they gonna go to Tyler Perry. Why go to
I said the 2019. Miss America's gonna be there. What else gonna be there?
Oh, the release date for Coming to America 2 is August 7, 2020. Right before our birthday. Oh, the original cast gonna be there. Jermaine Fowler, Wesley Snipes. Oh yeah, that's probably what they're taping of.
Yeah, that's what I said. Coming to America 2, and then Martin and Will was there, and I think.
But they already gonna take Bad Boys 2. I mean 3.
I forgot what they was on.
All the black films is gonna go to Tyler Perry. Why not? Like he done built this just for us not to go do stuff there.
Atlanta is the new. Well, it was always a black Hollywood. But
I was talking to that. I was talking about that at work today. Y'all, we putting the dinner in this food. What's for dessert?
Nothing.
Nothing.
Y'all, I was watching My 600-Pound Life. Kind of like binge watching it. And that's a good show, girl.
We said all that just to say no.
They be having men, girl. Them men be loving them. When they be having their significant others.
That's what you call real love. Like, people be saying, yeah, I really love that person. That's real love. Being able to not move. You basically bedridden. They wiping you and cleaning you. And you demanding food.
I'm searching for real love.
That fry tasted like the freezer.
You got me double checking. I'm done. I'm full.
Too, y'all.
Quick little video. 15 minutes off flat. Thank y'all for watching. Subscribe, comment, like this video, y'all. Thank y'all for y'all support.
Appreciate all the new subscribers.
Round 2. But now, go to versusdefiant.com, y'all. Get y'all some merch.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? I hope my nose ain't running. All right. We out. Peace.
Peace.